Okay, so just came outside here to change this. I started changing and putting my new battery upstairs, and I noticed this started smoking a little bit as I'm taking off the screws. So it's bulging, and I mentioned that right here. So battery been bad for a while. New battery's here. I'm gonna change it out. I might put it on the grill. I change it over the grill. But I thought I saw a little smoke coming out. I'm not sure. Yeah, I have safety goggles on and my mask. Yeah, so this side sort of popped open. You know, like 2 more screws and sort of, yeah, it just popped open. That's how bad it was. It popped open. So, let's see. Crazy. Still not off. I'm doing that because, like I said, I think I saw it smoking. So, I've had the phone explode on me before. Yeah, that's bad. Look, I don't even know if I should touch it. get this one off. It's been difficult getting this off at one time. Then I'm gonna take it out. I'm just gonna blow everything off. Maybe go upstairs and put some alcohol on it. And the computer should be clean. It's my laptop from like 2016, 2017, so I still was having trouble with this one little screw. Once I get that off, I have both of these off, but this one's off. Look at the dust. So yes, clean your laptop fans. I think it's been a few years since the last time I opened it. But that battery was horrible. Here's a new battery. Right there. So, yeah. Should be working better. It's still an outdated laptop, but change the battery, clean out the fans. It'll work a little bit better. I just wanted to show what this looked like before I'm gonna take it outside and blow it. And probably rub some alcohol in there. But yeah. So this is one of the screws that came with the new battery, but look. This is one of these screws are like, it works. The one that they sent actually fits this for the fan. But look at that. No matter how many times I turn it, it won't come up. I don't know how to resolve it. It's just sort of spinning in place. I'm gonna have to like twist it upside, like flip it upside down and try to spin it. So it's not, that's the only thing keeping it down is that one. And then I have this screw here, but this one's already sort of loose. Like that one I can just take up. This is weird, man. I want to get it off completely. Wow. I don't know what to do here. That's weird. In fact, neither one of these will come up. See, this one and this one came up. This one and that one. Those two came up. And this one, it just spins and spins. But hey, they sent one that works, but that's all it's doing is spinning. It's not coming up. What the heck? If I turn it the other way, let me see. Yeah, turn it the other way, it's not even tightening. I may have to look this up. I don't know how to fix this. So I figured it out. I literally found this on Reddit. That's why Reddit is useful. Used the flathead and sort of dug underneath the screw, and then I twisted it and it came up. Amazing, like this. So if you're having trouble getting out screws, that's it. I have to take those downstairs, and then I'll try it on this one. I'm trying not to do that. Look at that. Came right up. Genius. I found that on Reddit. I don't know what to tell you. Reddit is good. So there you go. Look how dirty it is. It's not coming up. Oh, it's over there. Look at that. That's disgusting. So, there you go. Yeah, so let's go clean this off. Get some alcohol Q-tips for that. There you go. Oops, it says do not shake. I didn't know that. Oh well, it is cold. Let me see if I can use a little flathead to get this little gunk out of dust. It's sort of balled up from the alcohol. I think that's it. Yeah, there it is. I think that's good. So, not much else I can do, you know. Basically, as you could see, I wanted to change the battery. It was a very bad battery, so maybe my screen won't be flashing white anymore. And I didn't notice until I do my laptop. I took a picture, recorded a video somewhere of it actually, but the laptop was actually, it was bulging. It was crazy. It was bulging. And when I was taking his laptop off, I could have sworn I saw a little bit of smoke coming out. So I immediately took the laptop downstairs as I was removing the cover. Took it downstairs outside. Whereas again, there's a video where my phone, now I didn't record I don't know if I recorded the actual fire, but I tried to change a battery in a phone and it just caught on fire. So that's why I was wearing safety goggles. You may think I'm, you know, insane, crazy, but I don't know what I'm doing, obviously. So I know not to touch it with metal anymore. That's what happened last time. I touched it with metal, and the battery in the phone literally like burst into flames in my hand. That was crazy. And this is a huge battery, like for the laptop, so it could have actually exploded. Anyway, I was doing the last little bit of rubbing down with alcohol, making sure everything's clean. It's a little bit there, but basically that's it. You know, not a crazy video, but just in case something did happen, I was gonna get it on camera, right? So always. But that's it. I mean, really nothing more. Just changing a dangerous battery. That's what I'm going to title the video. Oh, I think this is a piece of plastic here. I don't know. That's what that feels like. Is a piece of the plastic from the fan. Yeah, I got it all. Piece of plastic from the fan. That's it. I have to go cook dinner now. It's already 7:41. I'm editing a video right now, a very long video, just talking about animation. So I will upload that video after this one. Talking about Epic Games, just being an animator in general. You know how things have been not so well, but you know. But that's it for this video. Again, just wanted to show changing the dangerous battery, cleaning up the fan. I'm gonna rub some alcohol on the top here, right here, and there you go. So thanks for watching. I'll see you.